So welcome friends, welcome to our channel Technical Mighty, and today I again represent you a very popular product unboxing video. And today's video is a very defined kind of video because today I unbox one of the most popular product. So today I unbox a Restwell PU Foam orthopedic mattress. Okay, so I don't think that calling this product is a mattress is very reliable or not, because you can use this as well as single bed also, as well as double bed also, and as well as a table also. Okay, so no more talk, let's unpack. Another thing is, before I unpack this product, I want to say some sentences on it. So actually I purchased this product from Flipkart, and as you can see that, and today I received the product from Flipkart, and as you can see that this is my billing here, because I don't unbox any cheap product. Okay, so as you can see that this is billing, and I give slightly blur effect because I don't want to reveal my address. So okay, I hope so now. And the price of this product is and the price of this product is 1120 rupees. And I did not guarantee you that this is the exact price, because due to some kind of Diwali offer or any kind of thing, the price may be up and down or something. Okay, so and no more talk, let's unpack this. And believe me, this is one of the. And another thing is, if you don't have any idea what a PU foam is, so PU foam, if you follow my channel previously, then I already unboxed lot of mattress on my channel. Almost I unboxed almost I unboxed 2 or 3 mattresses. I did not remember what a mattress. So on my channel, big and they all are memory foam mattress or pocket spring mattress or some kind of normal gel mattress. But this is the thing, that PU foam mattress. Another thing is, before I unbox another, I also want to talk you that there are 2 type of layer of any mattress. One is the comfort layer and one is the male layer. So most of the time the memory foam mattress, the upper side of the memory foam mattress comes with PU foam, and the base layer of the mattress is come with memory foam. That's why that's called memory foam. But for this mattress, the upper layer, middle layer, the both layer comes with PU foam. So PU foam is one of the most rigid material. And another thing is, if you someday admitted into the hospital, sorry friends, I don't want to seek you, because most of the time, if you, I hope you admitted a hospital in at least once in your lifetime. And whenever, and not only hospital, whenever you visit any doctor's house, doctor's chambers, doctors first examine you uh, by sitting on their examining table. Okay, so not and the doctor asks you to sit on the examining table. Okay, so the mattress of that examining table is made by PU foam. So another thing is, the PU foam mattress is so much rigid, and if you face any back pain issue, some kind of arthritis, then PU foam is best for you. So okay, so no more talk, let's unpack this. Another thing is, this is very lightweight, and as we can see that I can easily pull it. I can easily pull it up using my one hand only. Okay, so now unpack this. So here, as you can see that, whoa, ho, 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 ho. So actually, friends, I don't want to sing yes, because YouTube has some kind of strict policy on copyright. Okay, so maybe I some kind of give a some kind of distort effect on whenever okay. So believe me, this is one of the best product. Okay, so actually I see lot of reviews on Flipkart, and after that you can purchase this type of mattress on Amazon also, and I already give the Amazon purchase link of this product in the video description. So make sure that you check that. Okay, and as you can see that, actually this is very satisfying sound. And actually friends, I have suffering from some kind of mouth pain because there is so much inflammation on my mouth due to a bacterial infection. So that's why I did not talk properly. But in this hard struggle, I never forget to make videos on my channel because I love my viewers and subscribers. So I always. So okay. So this is one of the. Whoa! What a satisfying sound, friends! Satisfying sound. Okay, and if you another thing, I hope you see the PU foam at least one time in your life. Whenever I was a kid, I see lots of PU foam, and I at the time I don't know that this is a PU foam material because most of the sofas in old days are made by PU foam. Okay, and I hope you have a greater back support on those sofas, because if you follow our lifestyle previously, then you you see that there is less number of some kind of back problem or muscle strain issue when we was children. Because okay, so wow, so as you can see, and after that whenever we grown up, we also grown up some kind of rarest disease. Okay, so now cut this. Okay, and there is a, whoa, and this comes with a bubble wrap. Okay, wow, and friends, as you can see, this is the PU foam mattress. Actually, each and every discussion I tell with you. So okay, so wow, wow. So as you can see that after wrapping of the plastic from here, and it looks like this is the Restore mattress, and actually I sleep on it. This is my personal room, and as you can see that how much I am poor. So actually friends, I am not a poor. So as you can see, this is my normal cotton mattress. Actually my all of mattresses are on in my hostel. So due to the mattress issue, I purchased this. So this is a cotton mattress, and the bad thing of cotton mattress is whenever you purchase, it gives some kind of utmost comfort, but day by day it has some kind of quality issue and did not meet your expectation. So that's why I ordered this kind of PU foam mattress. So another thing is, there is no thumb rule that oh, this mattress is good for you. This actually, if you are an MBBS student, then you will understand that the human anatomy is so much complex. So different people have some kind of different pain, different ability, as well as they have some kind of different comfort zone. So I extremely satisfied with this PU foam. That does not mean you also be satisfied with this PU foam. Your comfort level may be different, but I give you some kind of most probably 70% chance that you also will like it. So that's why I unbox this product on my channel. So okay, this is a folding mattress. That means you can, whoa, you can use it also table also. Whoa, you can use it also table. That means, oh, tick 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 tick, this is a train. And okay, and this is the mattress. Okay, wow, this is extremely rigid and give you the best comfort. Okay, wow, this is extremely good. and and now, wow, now it's a bed. Wow, it's a single bed. Okay, and whenever you fold this, and now fold according to your bed size. So okay, so this is extremely good. So because believe me, I feel some best comfort on this. So now let's, wow, this is extremely good. And the thing is, you can also purchase some kind of Rexin cover on it to give you some kind of leather feel on it. Okay, so this is another thing is the structure. the structure, this is some kind of cotton, and the main foam is inside the this cotton cover. So you can also wrap it with some kind of rexin, and after that you can also use it. This is the bed, this called PU foam bed. This is the bed which is mostly used on hospital bed, on as well as doctors examine bed. Okay, so this is the unboxing of Restoil PU foam foldable mattress. And if you have any query regarding, and it also comes with 10 days replacement policy. That means if you did not satisfy the product, or if the product comes with some kind of damage, you can easily raise a refund request. Sorry, refund not. You can easily make a exchange request on Flipkart or as well as Amazon. That means you can change with a new one, but you cannot refund your money. So that's called replacement policy. Okay, so I think this is the best mattress in this price range. Okay friends, if you have any query regarding this, then feel free to comment down below, and I try my best to resolve your issue. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe among with your friends. So okay friends, goodbye. And the quality is, and I suggest you, if you want to protect this from dust, then I suggest you to use some kind of, previously say, use some kind of rexin, and don't wash it regularly. And it is not advised to wash it. Just use some kind of microfiber cloth to detach all the sands or dirty darts on it. Okay, so friends, goodbye.